So here's how I made this portrait using the things I found in nature. I took a little trip in my backyard and I found these flowers my mom was growing for like a couple months, and then I grabbed one of them. Sorry mom. I sprinkled a little bit of water to the flowers to give them that watery effect. This will then lead to me squishing the flower on the paper, and it ended up creating a watercolor effect. After that, I grabbed a little bit more flowers, kept going. This is where things really got interesting because I went and grabbed some soil, added a little bit of water with a tiny bit of oil paint, and then this was the final result. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So here's how I made this portrait using things I found in the garden. I first started by grabbing some leaves from the garden, folding them up and then squashing them on the piece of paper, adding a little bit of water so that they can have that watercolor effect. These were really juicy leaves. I then went on and grabbed some random charcoal. This charcoal was a good idea because it created depth, it created value, it created contrast, and it was able to blend really well. After that, I kept adding the details with charcoal, and then boom, here's how it came out. What do you guys think?
To the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it.